Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, coming to you from our Kidtropolis Art Academy, where this week at the museum we are working on some chalk art. Now, chalk art can be done on a lot of different surfaces, including, of course, a sidewalk. But for this project, we're actually doing our chalk art on a piece of black construction paper. You can really use any color paper, but black is pretty cool because the colors stand out really well against it. Now, to make our chalk art really extra kind of unique, we're actually breaking this piece of paper up into smaller sections using some painter's tape. Now again, you don't have to have this. You can kind of just draw and doodle a little bit with your chalk, but I'm actually going to take my tape here. Painter's tape works really well because it's designed not to stick, so that, or at least not to stick like super strong. The glue on it isn't super strong, so when you take it off, the paper generally does not tear. Now what I'm doing is I'm just taking really long strips of my tape, and I'll show it to you in just a moment here. Really long strips, and I'm just making straight lines in just sort of random patterns across my paper. Now I'm going to hold this up and show you what I've done here, because what I've actually done is just split my paper up into a bunch of different sections. Now I'm going to use my chalk here. This is actually a drawing chalk, a pastel chalk, but you can also use regular sidewalk chalk. It'll work as well. This is just really good for blending. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to color in each of these spaces that I've created with a different color. And then I'm going to save one section. I'm going to save this one up in the corner to just write a message. It can be a message about anything you want, but everything else is going to be filled in, and we're just going to have some positive words up over here in the corner. I'll show you what it looks like in just a moment. All right, I've colored in all of the different sections. If you want, you can take your finger and sort of blend the colors together a little bit just to cover up some of that space. But then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to really carefully peel this blue tape back so that I can have some lines in between my different colors. Here's what my artwork looks like when I'm all done, and right now I'm super excited about our fun summer vibes theme. Now I think we're going to take a look at what some of my other friends here in the Art Academy are working on. All right, so we've got some friends working over here in the Art Academy right now. You can tell the chalk tends to get a little bit messy, so it's good to have something to clean up with nearby. So one of my friends over here has already removed the tape and then written the message in the tape lines. Very cool idea. You can also do your message or your drawing first. So I have my friend over here who's drawn a heart and is now adding in the tape lines and filling in those gaps. So you can totally make this activity unique however you want to put it together. Thank you everybody for joining us today. We hope you had fun with your chalk art drawings, and we hope to see you all soon. Bye.